Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, we will tell you some secrets of consolidation, some strategies, and how to take trades based on consolidation. This video is going to be very important and very informative. So, let's get straight into it without wasting any time. Consolidation is a phase that appears in every market. Every market goes through a phase called consolidation, or the sideways phase. What does this phase mean? And how do we trade during it? Let's discuss that. First, let's understand what consolidation is. The market moves in a zigzag pattern, and during that movement, there comes a phase when the market moves within a small zone. It forms a small range and keeps moving inside it. This consolidation is very important. Why does it happen? First of all, it's mostly untradeable. If you try to trade inside this zone, your stop loss is almost certain to be hit. While this happens, the market continues moving within a zone, basically passing time. But why does it do this? The reason is liquidity. Liquidity simply means volume. When a lot of volume gathers, when many buyers and sellers are active in one area, we call it liquidity. One of the ways the market gathers liquidity is through consolidation. During consolidation, both buyers and sellers build positions. This brings a lot of liquidity to that zone. And that's why, after this kind of consolidation zone, we usually get a big breakout. Whether it breaks out to the upside or downside, the move is usually big and fast. Note this as point number one. Whenever a breakout follows consolidation, it's typically big and fast. Now the second thing, how do you trade based on consolidation? Let's take an example. Suppose there's a support or resistance zone. Let's say it's a resistance zone. The market takes resistance from this level. If the market consolidates near this resistance, what does that tell us? It tells us this is a point where sellers are entering repeatedly. This means there's a buildup of liquidity in this zone. Who takes advantage of that? Big players. They can come in, liquidate all those sellers, and the market can give a strong move upward. Now, another example. Again, suppose this is a resistance zone. The market breaks above it. After the breakout, the market starts consolidating above the resistance. What does this mean? It means buyers entered on the breakout, and more buyers are entering again and again during this consolidation. So there's now a buildup of buyer liquidity. Who takes advantage of that? Sellers. Once there's enough buyer liquidity, sellers can come in, and the market can give a strong move down from there. That's also possible. These are two simple concepts you can use to trade based on consolidation. Because consolidation, in simple terms, is a way to accumulate liquidity. For example, here, a consolidation phase appears. When that consolidation breaks down, there's a very fast move. Now you might ask, if consolidation happened before resistance, why did the move come downward? To understand that, we need to create another zone. This one. Is this resistance valid or not? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times the market took resistance from this zone. After finally breaking above it, the market starts consolidating. This invites even more buyer entries. Once there's enough liquidity, the market crashes. So it's important to mark the correct zones after observing carefully. If you assume the market is consolidating near resistance, so it's time to buy, that can be a mistake. You need to see what happened before. If the market was supposed to move up, the price action would look different. It would go like this: resistance, resistance, then a breakout. Some time spent consolidating and then moving up. But in this case, it's already consolidating below. There's a bigger consolidation at the support zone. Observe that. This is why you must keep every concept in mind. Don't rely only on one thing. Don't just learn strength and weakness and trade based on that. Don't just learn liquidity or consolidation and trade based on that. You need to combine everything. Once you do that, you'll be able to understand the chart clearly. As soon as you see it, you'll know in which direction the price might go. So that was our explanation of consolidation. Hope you learned something valuable from it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.